Hello guys, in this short and basic video today I will show you how to reset your internet connection in Windows 11. So to reset, just you have to follow some easy steps. Click on Start, search here Settings, open Settings. In here click on Network and Internet. Click on Advanced Network Settings. Here you will see the option Network Reset. Reset all network adapters to factory settings. Now here click on Reset Now. Make sure this will remove, then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. So just reset now. Click on yes and restart your system. So thanks for watching. This is the way you can reset your internet connection in Windows 11.